Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Indeed, it's beginning to dawn on our Igbo politicians, especially those in the southeast, that this whole politics has gone beyond politics. It is becoming the situation is becoming very tense, and it's no longer politics as usual. And they are beginning to speak up right now. Initially, it's usually Senator Inaya Barry, always talking, but right now, prominent politicians are beginning to talk over what is going on in Southeast, and they realize even their own safety is at stake. But before we go into the news proper, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Apart from the politicians talking, the NBA, that's Nigerian Bar Association, have also decided to speak, especially what is going on in the very tense Imo State. Well, let's start with what the prominent politicians has got to say. Former governor of Imo State, Rochas Okorocha, has cautioned against ethnic profiling of Igbo people, maintaining the people are not killers. Okorocha stated this yesterday at the centenary celebration in honor of the former premier of Eastern Nigeria, the late Michael Okpara, in Abuja. I appeal to all Nigerians, I'm quoting him now, said, I appeal to all Nigerians to stop the ethnic profiling of the Igbos. They are not murderers, otherwise they won't be in Kano or Lagos doing business. Indeed, we are passing through one of the ugliest moments of our history, he said. Similarly, Director General, Voice of Nigeria, VON, Mr. Osita Okachukwu, has enjoined agitators in the southeast to exercise restraint and give peace a chance. The All Progressive Congress APC argued that contrary to notions held in certain quarters, President Muhammadu Buhari was committed to the country's unity. The Enugu State politician asserted that Buhari had been grossly misunderstood over his recent stance against the activities of the secessionists in the country. He said, what the president is trying to do is to let everybody know that we need to remain in this country and we will prosper it. If it prospers, every ethnic group and region would benefit. No president will be happy that police stations and electoral commission offices are being burnt. Makes a lot of sense. But then the question is, are the people seeing it in that light? The last tweet he had brought a lot of condemnation, of course. But let's find out what it is that NBA is saying over the rising insecurity and the fight that is going on and the arrest that is going on in Imo State. Well, the situation in Imo has a semblance of war, the Lawyers Association says. They went further to say that the way the things are going is getting harder. The Lawyers Association disclosed this in a statement issued on Thursday in Owerri by its spokesperson, Uzo Enwere. According to the statement, the HelpDesk is aimed at addressing issues of wanton arrest and detention of innocent residents of Imo with a view to ensuring their release. Okay, they established what we call a HelpDesk, and it's actually situated in Imo State. And they said the aim of the HelpDesk is to address the issue of wanton arrest and detention of innocent residents of Imo State with the view of ensuring that they are released without any form of mayhem. Well, Mr. Enwere, a lawyer, stated that the NBA committee on human rights would coordinate the desk at the bar center, and complaints received will be taken up with appropriate quarters. Considering that the courts are not sitting, the HelpDesk will collate the names of innocent persons unjustly arrested, detained, and for the purpose of securing their release. The approach is dictated by the precarious security situation in Imo State at the moment, which has the semblance of a war situation. The outcome of our interactions revealed that there is more to the situation than meets the eye, Mr. Warren stated. The association spokesperson who provided the telephone lines of the HelpDesk said the desk would open by 10 a.m. from June 4th at the bar center. IPOB, a pro-Biafran group which has been proscribed by the Nigerian government, has a high concentration of its members and supporters in Imo State, which appears to be the epicenter of the group's activities in the country's southeast region. Apart from the frequent targets of the police, there have been reports of police, including Nigerian military carrying out indiscriminate killings and arrest of civilians in the state, they added. Well, let's just take one comment. This one here said it's more than overdue. But let's look at this very critically. It is now beginning to dawn on our amiable politicians, especially the ones that are from the southeast. Do we need to wait to get out of hand? Do we need to play politics with positions, politics with aspirations, politics with even lives? Finally, it's beginning to dawn on them that, look, while you are ascribing to be, you are looking forward to becoming the president or holding a key position in 2023, it's when there is peace in the land that elections will hold. If you're looking forward to holding elections in 2023, the people who are going to vote for you are the people from your constituency, from your home, from your state of origin, majorly. And if at the end of the day, when they do population census, the youths are all gone, then you are already at a disadvantage. What good would it give you if you are a leader and you cannot speak up? You cannot look into the situation and wage in as a man of influence, as a woman of influence, wherever you are, whatever position you are holding in the society. If things are going down in your state, are going down in your constituency, and you're keeping quiet and consign me, very soon it will consign you. And then it will begin to dawn on all of us that this whole thing it's the political, they say it's a political thing. It is going beyond politics. It's hitting home. Ethnic groups are beginning to speak up. Whether you call it politics or not, every day we keep hearing news of those who have gone down. Is that politics as well? Does life have duplicates? Do you have a second life anywhere that is being kept that you can always pick when one is gone? Now the profiling that we're talking about, now they're now saying that the Ndigbos are not being profiled, that they're being profiled, that they're actually good people. Yes. But do we have to wait till this point in time? I would have preferred, we keep saying this over and over again in this channel, let peace reign. Because the truth is, whoever goes down doesn't come back. Find a way around this. Can we not engage our leaders into this? Hold them responsible. Look at what happened in Delta State, in Niger Delta region, Niger Delta area, where Tombolo held it on, as in held Akpabio, gospel Akpabio to say, look, this is what we want. If you don't give it us, we are not going to. We know where we are hitting. If you don't give us what we want, we know what. Even you, one of the young men, they say, even you, Akpabio, we can't guarantee that after the ultimatum we give to you that you're safe. What he's saying in effect is, we don't need to start picking on. We know where we are heading. Hold the leaders responsible. Tell them you elected them. Hold them responsible, so that way, if we want something, tell them. If they don't speak up, you know what to do. Rather than, yes, over time, some persons may say leaders have failed us, but we can actually hold them responsible. Let's be